Hidden failures are a little bit more tricky to categorize than evident failures, which is what I spoke about in the last video, in case you missed it. So in this video, I'm going to focus more on hidden failures and what they are, how you can manage them. All in just 2 minutes, of course. A hidden failure is a failure that is not immediately evident or noticeable under normal operating conditions, because it doesn't really have an adverse effect on the current operations of the system. The failure's already happened, but it will go unnoticed or forever unless something else fails, which highlights it, or we go hunting for it. It doesn't really impact the ability of the system to perform the function at the time, but they're usually safety related, so they could be very important to manage. A hidden failure, in combination with one or more other failures, could result in serious consequences, like personal injury, a plant trip or shutdown, power reduction or total loss of the operating capabilities, safety system actually getting set off when we don't want it to, perhaps, or an unplanned forced outage. There can be more hidden failure modes than you think. Some of the examples could be protective devices in power plants, standby equipment, backup supplies, backup power supplies, overspeed components, check valves, fuel pump or fuel oil pump in a diesel generator, emergency shutdown components, and so on. So you can see how they quite often are safety consequences. So to manage these, we could use predictive maintenance like vibration analysis maybe, so we could detect it before the failure occurs. We could do preventive tasks to change it out before the failure occurs. Or we could do periodic function testing if none of those are suitable, which is better than leaving it to fail, because in those circumstances, can we have a hidden failure left to fail because the consequences are too high? These hidden failures don't usually cause an immediate operational problem, but they do degrade the reliability of the system and safety, especially over time. So RCM is really good for focusing on identifying and addressing these defects before they could lead to anything more serious. I hope this helps clarify the difference between evident and hidden failures, along with some of the previous ones I've talked about with consequence. If you want to learn more about maintenance topics, please make sure you subscribe to the videos, like the ones you like, so I know what ones you do like, and leave comments. Thank you very much, and see you next time.